What are you gonna do, baby?
Table.
You gonna put your choo-choos on the table?
Hey, Mommy.
Oh, thank you.
Bubble. Bubble. Bubble.
Yeah.
Bubble.
You can do Legos?
No.
Oh, you want your drink? Share, Teddy?
No. No.
Oh, okay. Mommy will play.
Oh.
Gulp, 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 gulp. Is Mommy funny? Oh no! Can you say Mommy funny?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness!
Nana, Papa. Nana.
Is Papa going night-night?
No.
No.
Nana.
What's Nana doing?
Nana. Nana. No.
No, Nana's not going night-night. What's Grandma doing?
Grandma.
What's Grandma doing? Is she eating?
Aggie.
She's playing with Aggie. What's Grandpa doing? You want to see what's on my camera? See, I'm taking a picture of the choo-choos. What's Grandpa doing? What do you think Grandpa's doing? You just want to see the camera now. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Is it going around? Whoa, good job. What's Daddy doing?
Gabba.
Where's Daddy? Is Daddy at work?
Oh.
Uh-oh. What about Uncle Jeff? What's Jeff doing?
That's funny.
Is Jeff funny? Whoa, careful. Where's Aunt Megan?
Funny.
Is she going potty still? Wow, Megan, you need to go to the doctor for that. You've been going potty for like a week now. Where's Uncle Dodo?
Funny.
Is he funny too?
Funny.
Yes, Dodo is funny.
No.
Are you playing with Dora? Yeah.
Funny.
Is Dora funny? Like Uncle Jeff and Uncle Dodo.
Funny.
Yeah, Jeff's a funny guy.
Share.
Are you sharing? What's Aggie doing? Aggie, what are you doing? Oh, is it stuck? Be nice. Be soft. Be soft, Teddy. All right, say bye-bye.